Hey travelers, so you're planning for your first trip to Japan? Great choice. We have crafted an easy and super quick itinerary for you. And let me tell you, Kyoto is a magical destination packed with ancient temples, stunning gardens, and serene landscapes. Ready to explore Japan's cultural heart? Let's dive right in. Begin your day one after arriving in Kyoto. Settle into your hotel and take it easy. In the evening, head to Gion, Kyoto's historic geisha district. The narrow lanes, traditional tea houses, and wooden machiya houses look like something straight out of a movie. If you're lucky, you might even spot a geisha, who are Japanese women trained to perform traditional Japanese arts and entertain guests. Grab some authentic Kyoto sweets at Nishiki Market too. Then, at day 2, kick off your morning at the iconic Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion. It literally gleams in the sunlight, mesmerizing. Next, head to Ryoan-ji for a peaceful rock garden experience. After lunch, make your way to Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Walk through towering bamboo stalks and you will feel like you are in a dream. As the sun sets, don't miss the Togetsukyo Bridge for a picture-perfect view. Day 3 is all about iconic spots. Start early at Fushimi Inari Taisha. Trust me, it's worth the hype. The thousands of red torii gates are simply breathtaking. Here's a tip for you. Go early to avoid the crowd. Once you're done with the site, you can continue your journey and visit Tofukuji Temple, which is a must-visit attraction, especially in autumn. As your day ends, enjoy a peaceful walk through the Zen gardens and calm your mind after the busy day. On day 4, let's visit Kyoto's samurai past at Nijo Castle. The intricate artwork and historical vibe here are unmatched. After soaking in the history, head to the Philosopher's Path, a peaceful cherry blossom lined walkway that will make you feel zen. It's perfect for a reflective stroll. On day 5, let's venture outside Kyoto to Nara, which is just an hour away. First stop, Nara Park, where you'll meet friendly deer who bow for snacks. Adorable, right? Visit Todai-ji Temple, home to the massive Great Buddha statue. It's awe-inspiring. Wrap up your day with some matcha ice cream before heading back to Kyoto. At day 6, get your foodie game on at Nishiki Market. From fresh sushi to quirky street snacks, this place is a paradise for food lovers. After indulging, visit the Kyoto Imperial Palace. The gardens here have a calm aura, and the architecture will take you to a different realm. For your final day, escape the city and head to the peaceful mountains of Kurama and Kifune. The hike through fresh trails is refreshing, and you can end it with a relaxing soak in an onsen, a traditional Japanese hot spring. Trust me, it's the perfect way to wrap up your Kyoto adventure. And that's your quick 7-day Kyoto itinerary. From ancient temples to modern markets and peaceful hikes, Kyoto has it all. Which spot are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TBO Academy for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy traveling!